Today, I'm going to be doing a product review on the Munvic full-size hot glue gun, and I'm going to tell you how you can possibly get one for free too. So stay tuned to this video, and I will see you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, and welcome back to OMG & Co, also known as OMG Scrunchie Club. And for those of you that are new, welcome to the club. So let's get into this video. So I'm going to be reviewing the Munvic hot glue gun. It's a full-size glue gun. But before I get into that video, the OMG & Co look that I'm wearing, it's not for sale. I actually made these in a previous video where I'm using this Munvic glue gun, so I'm just wearing the carrot earrings that I made. So let's get into the unboxing of this glue gun, as well as the information about the glue gun. So maybe you'd want to switch to it too. I will tell you that it is an awesome glue gun, and I am not getting paid to tell you this because I did not pay for the glue gun, and I'm not getting paid to give the glue gun a review, nor am I getting paid to have you get the glue gun. So there's no affiliate link or anything, so I'm not benefiting from telling you anything about this glue gun. And you know, if I'm doing a review on something, I am going to tell you the honest to God truth. So let's jump right into it. So when you get the glue gun, it comes in this nice little box here. And yes, product review. We're going to open the box. I don't know why I do that every time I open something, but hey, here we go. So this is the Munvic full-size hot glue gun. Let's zoom in right there. So it comes with the glue gun, and as I stated, it sits upright, so just like that. Also, it comes with some glue sticks. I want to say it comes with 12 glue sticks. It comes with the cord, of course. You must plug it up to use it. And it comes with some rubber fingertips. I haven't opened these yet, but they keep you from burning your fingers, which I think is pretty cool because I'm always burning my fingers on glue guns or with glue guns. And it also comes with an instruction manual or a manual that tells you about the different settings. So let's look at this. So you have the on and off switch here. So in the middle, this middle circle indicates that your glue gun is off. If you push it up, it heats up to 80 watts, and if you push it down, it goes to 120 watts, and it has an indicator light here. Stick your glue sticks in, as well as a part to stick your plugs in. So I will insert some video here of me making something with the glue gun here so that you can see it in action. So in this clip, I decided to make a headband with the glue gun, and I will tell you this glue gun is amazing. I actually used one glue stick to do 6 projects, so this is just a quick little fast-paced video of one of the hair bows slash headbands that I made with my carrot product, carrots from the previous video. And I love that I can set this glue gun upright. I don't have to worry about glue dripping onto the table from the glue gun being in an angled resting place. So this was an amazing glue gun, and I will say it does heat up very high to a high hot temperature. So if you don't need to use the high temperature, don't do that. But I always like to use the highest temperature that I can use, so I always buy high temp glue guns. But now that I have this one, I have both the high and the low temp setting, which is awesome. So yep, that's that. So you just saw some clips or a clip of this glue gun in action, and I will say it is an awesome glue gun. Let me show you the glue gun I was using before I got this Munvic glue gun. I was using this. I had a big one that was great also. And I will say with these glue guns, one of the cons is that the glue gun is always sitting at an angle. So when it's on a surface, it's sitting at an angle. But with the Munvic glue gun, it sits upright. It's easy, just pick it up, squeeze, and voila, you have it. And I will say it took no time for it to heat up. I mean, I wasn't waiting a very long time for the glue gun to get heated and to start working. So I like the fact that it is a full-size glue gun, and I can use full-sized glue sticks in it. As well as I like that I have temperature options, because with most glue guns on the market, you either have to purchase a high temp glue gun or a low temp glue gun. But with this one, I can set it for a higher or a lower temp, which is cool. So that way, instead of having two glue guns, a high and a low, I have one that I can have options with setting the temperature. So would I go back to my old glue gun? Absolutely not. This one is actually going to go in the trash. I have used this for a long time. I have other ones that are this size and a full size, but even my full size one is not as great as this Munvik glue gun, and I have no clue where it is. So how can you get one of these glue guns? I am glad that you asked. So I was contacted by Ayden, and Ayden gave me permission to give you, my subscribers, his email for you to get one of these glue guns as well for free. So somewhere on this screen, I will have Ayden's email and contact information. Just let him know, hey, you watched the YouTube video on OMG Scrunchie Club YouTube's page, and you yourself want to get one of these glue guns for free. It was an easy thing to do. As I stated, I am not being paid to do this product review. I do not get a commission or any, what is the word that I'm looking for? Affiliate pay from you purchasing this glue gun. So I give this glue gun an A+. It was purchased off Amazon, so I will leave the link in the description below. But if you want to get it for free, make sure you reach out to Ayden to let him know, hey, I want to get one of those glue guns for free too, do a product review, and there you have it. So yes, I know this is not a Scrunchie review video or anything of that nature, but I just wanted to share with my subscribers something that I like to use, and you can use it too. That concludes the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, you know.